Hey guys, it's Candace the Edgy Veg, and today I'm going to show you how to make your jackfruit taste like the best pulled pork you've ever had. Welcome back to another episode of Hacked, where I take popular hacks on the internet and test them out in my kitchen and show you how to make your life easier. So today I'm using a very popular hack, which is making jackfruit taste like pulled pork, but I wanted to see if I could get that pork flavor without just dousing it with a bunch of barbecue sauce. One of the most popular ways I've seen jackfruit turn into pulled pork is just cooking it over the stove, tossing it with barbecue sauce, and calling it a day. I want to see if I can do more of a dry approach. And then of course, if you love that like barbecued pulled pork taste, you can also toss it in the barbecue sauce. But I really want to see if I can get, with the Instant Pot, double hacking your life right now, get that jackfruit to have that like really nice pulled pork, like stringy, almost like smoked flavor to it. The first thing that you want to do with your jackfruit is take it out of the can and rinse it. Now I'm using young jackfruit. You can use it with either brine or water, just don't get it in syrup or else you're going to have a sweet sticky mess. So I've rinsed it and I'm just going to throw it into my Instant Pot. You could do this with a slow cooker as well. You just have to adjust the cooking instructions a little bit. A lot of people online say to just use a fork to shred it. I like a potato masher. So I'm just going to mash the crap out of those. Okay, I've about half mashed that. With the pressure, it'll help break it down a little bit more, and then we can go in after it's cooked and mash it again. To the Instant Pot, I'm also going to add 1 onion that I've diced, a 1/4 cup of tomato sauce, the juice of 1 orange, 2 cloves of garlic, 3 tablespoons tamari, 2 tablespoons nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon liquid smoke. This stuff is super, super powerful, so don't put too much. 1 tablespoon vegan Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, teaspoon of paprika, and a teaspoon of thyme. And then this will be ready in no time, because we're using thyme, get it? Because we're using thyme. I'm just gonna give this a quick toss. And then let's cook this bad boy. Okay, so we are going to pressure cook this for 4 minutes, sealing it. So it'll take more than 4 minutes for it to come to the pressure that it needs. So rude. Shh. It's gonna take about 15 minutes for it to come to the right pressure, but then we're cooking it for 4 minutes and then letting the pressure escape naturally for 10 minutes, and then it's ready to go. Okay, so I've let this pressure release naturally, so we can open this guy up. Ooh. So I'm just gonna give this a good stir, and then we are going to break up the rest of that with our potato masher. So we're just gonna break up the rest of that with the potato masher. It's nice and soft now because it's been pressure cooked. And see how it pulls apart, very similar to pulled pork. It's amazing. So it's a fibrous plant, so the more you mush it, the more ish will come apart. The more ish will. Okay, so once you have pulled it apart, just like pulled pork, you can enjoy this a couple different ways. The first way is you can just have it exactly like this. I mean, it's delicious, it's marinated, it's nice and juicy, so you can, you know, serve it on a taco, for example. A little bit of pulled pork and some slaw, and you have yourself a carnita. Look at that. Very, very long piece of slaw. So you can serve it like that, or the other way you can do it is take some of your jackfruit and add it to a bowl, and we're just going to add some barbecue sauce to it and create your traditional barbecue jackfruit pulled pork sandwich. So all I have to do is add some barbecue sauce, whatever your favorite flavor is. Mix that together. Really, the amount is up to you depending on how saucy you like your pulled pork sandwiches. And you could just, you know, cook the the jackfruit and add barbecue sauce without all the extra ingredients that I used. But then your jackfruit really isn't getting that nice like marinated smoky flavor, and the actual fruit itself is just being coated in sauce, which is great if you're pressed for time. But I find this is a lot more authentic. So then we have just whatever bowl, this is not a bowl. This is a bun. I know how to talk today. You can use a Kaiser bun. I just used a hot dog bun. I really cannot talk today. A hamburger bun, and I'm just gonna top it with some slaw. I used broccoli slaw today with just a little bit of apple cider vinegar and vegan mayonnaise. Super easy slaw dressing. And then you can pile that up nice and high with your pulled pork, jackfruit. All right, guys, there you have it. What is this video? All right, let's try that again. All right, guys, there you have it. How to make your jackfruit taste just like pulled pork 2 ways. We have tacos, we have a barbecue pulled pork sandwich, some delicious homemade, whoopsie, making a big mess, some delicious homemade slaw, super tasty. Okay. If you like this recipe, give this video a big thumbs up.
You can even say like, I'm surprised how good the Instant Pot.
Guys, this is so good. I would definitely recommend using your Instant Pot to make your jackfruit moving forward. So you get 3 hacks in one video, 4 actually. Another thing you can do is when you reheat it, if you have any left over, which I doubt that you will, just reheat it in the oven, and then it also makes it like kind of crispier, which is really tasty as well. Throw it on some pizza. Oh my God. So many hacks to tackle in this series. If you like this recipe, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below what hacks you want me to test. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on new videos every single week. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
She did that.